one drink. Pretty strong.
Good stuff.
Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie, as they continue their journey on the road in a converted cargo van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? Then report back to you with these videos. That is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the narrator.
Okay, we're at a place called South Beach. Forks is about 40 miles to the north, and anyway, we ended up here. This place called South Beach. Got a campsite here on the shoreline. Really nice. Kind of a gray, gloomy day, but I checked the reports, and in Corona, California, it was 115 this last Sunday. Ouch.
Episode 69 is about Hawkeye, Jeannie, and their stay at South Beach located in the Olympic National Park. They were there 14 days. The maximum allowed by law. It is the first time in their lives that they have done that. It is one of the few campgrounds that are on a first-come, first-served campsite occupancy rule. Most other campgrounds require reservations. On top of that, there were not any amenities at the campground, except for flush toilets. That is, no water, no showers, no sinks for washing your hands, or potable water for drinking and cooking. Because of all the wildfires on the West Coast at the time this episode was recorded, beach campfires were restricted. But what the heck, they were at the beach. Later in the video, Hawkeye and Jeannie will do a drive-through at Kalaloch Campground for you to check out.
More than one of those guys. How you doing?
Olympic National Park is a United States national park located in the state of Washington, on the Olympic Peninsula. The park has 4 regions: the Pacific coastline, alpine areas, the west side temperate rainforest, and the forests of the drier east side. Within the park there are 3 distinct ecosystems, including subalpine forest and wildflower meadow, temperate forest, and the rugged Pacific coast. President Theodore Roosevelt originally designated the park as Mount Olympus National Monument on March 2, 1909. The monument was redesignated a national park by Congress and President Franklin Roosevelt on June 29, 1938. In 1976, Olympic National Park was designated by UNESCO as an International Biosphere Reserve, and in 1981 as a World Heritage Site. In 1988, Congress designated 95% of the park as the Olympic Wilderness.
How you doing? July 22nd, 2021. We're still camped out at South Beach, but I don't know, we got kind of a really unusual cloud formation here. Okay, if you see, first of all, the overall pattern, I think might be a contrail from a high speed, high velocity, high altitude military aircraft. And he kind of like came up here, hung a U-ey, came back, and went back the other way. But right there's a section that's kind of out of place, and it's I think because of higher wind velocity. And this leg right here, seems to have a swirl pattern, and then it becomes a little bit more solid, or solid broken pattern here. And so either gained or lowered, changed the altitude there. Contrails normally only exist under certain temperature, humidity conditions.
Kalaloch Lodge is located between South Beach Campground and Kalaloch Campground, and they provide a market with camping and fishing supplies, propane, firewood when conditions permit, cabins on the shoreline, and a nice restaurant that is open for limited hours. Kalaloch's main lodge is a legend, and for good reason. It's been an Olympic Peninsula institution for nearly a century, originally built with lumber milled from driftwood logs that washed up on the beaches near Kalaloch Creek. Today, beautifully weathered driftwood is still washing up on the shore, and people are still flocking to the main lodge to see it.
Great spot.
Can you believe that?
That's all the trees wouldn't get your batteries recharged. Yeah, we gotta get a little table like that. Perfect. So what's that say? Reserve. This one has. I like it with the no reservations, but then you can't come out. If you're the one that's willing to take the trouble and the time to invest into a schedule, you should have a likelihood of getting a spot. Yeah. We know we may be sleeping at Walmart, That's our price that we pay. So that's good too, Are there any showers here? There's some women's.
I'll tell you what, I'll run into the men's real quick.
Okay.
Check it out.
Yeah, if there are.
I am Calafina. I am filling in for Delmer the narrator, whose whereabouts is currently unknown. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Please enjoy this beach scene while the credits are shown on the screen. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that they are somewhat interesting. Our goal is to show people, places, and events that you may not normally get to see, hear, and how the COVID-19 pandemic may have affected them. Our videos are amateur, unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's travels. Please share our video with others. Please click the like or the thumbs up icon. We need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized by YouTube. Click on the round icon to subscribe and be notified when future episodes are available. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1.